Assalamu alaikum, grade 8s. Today we're carrying on with geometry of 2D shapes. I'm on page 140 in your textbook if you want to follow in your textbook, and I'm going to explain from your textbook and then we'll do a few examples together, right? So we're doing triangles today. Definition: a triangle is a closed shape with three sides, right? Every triangle consists of three sides and three angles. So in triangle ABC, you can see the sides are AB, BC, and AC, right? It's very important to be able to read sides and angles when we're doing geometry so you know what the question is asking you to do. So if you look at the simple triangle here, when you're reading the triangle and you're looking for the sides, AB, BC, and AC, right? So those are our three sides. Now it's saying we have three angles. So angle A, you can see where the copy is, so that's angle A, angle B, and angle C. So if you take your protractor and you're measuring each angle, you know that in a triangle, it's a law that you have to have three sides and three angles. Then you can call the shape a triangle. So it's a closed shape, so it doesn't stay open. You can't draw a triangle like this here, okay? That wouldn't be a triangle. So you need to draw a closed shape, and it has to have three sides and three angles. Now we have classification of triangles. So we have different types of triangles, and we need to know how to name a triangle when we see it, and we have three classifications here, right? Triangles can be classified in terms of their sides and in terms of their angles. So you have to look at the sides and their angles. So we're going to have a look now why they're saying that, right? Classify triangles in terms of their sides. So first of all, we're doing three types of triangles according to this measurement of the sides. We're not looking at angles now, we're looking at sides. So we have a scalene triangle first. What is a scalene triangle? In a scalene triangle, the lengths of all three sides of the triangle are different. This is the important word. The lengths of all three sides are different. So if this is 5 centimeters, that would become 4 centimeters, and this would become 2 centimeters. Can you see? 5, 4, 2, all are different measurements. Then we would call the triangle a scalene triangle. So if they don't give you the name of the triangle and they give you this triangle and you can see there's three different measurements, we can name the triangle a scalene triangle. Then we go on to have an isosceles triangle. So what is an isosceles triangle? Two sides of the triangle are equal in length. So two of the sides, any two sides, right? So two of the sides are equal in length. So if this is 3 centimeters, then this would be 3 centimeters. And this would not be equal, it would be 2 centimeters. So only two sides are equal. And please note that small line there, okay? That is telling you that this side is equal to that side. That's a geometry sign. So you have to know when you see it. If you don't see the 3 there, you have to know that these two sides are equal. And that's why I can call it an isosceles triangle. And why an isosceles triangle? Because two sides are equal. Okay, so we'll see a few more examples then. Then we go on to, so we've got a isosceles triangle. A scalene has all three different sides, and isosceles has two sides that are equal, right? Then we have an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, the name is telling you equilateral, everything is equal in an equilateral triangle. So what we're saying is that the three sides are equal in length. So if this was 3 centimeters, that would be 3 centimeters, and that would be 3 centimeters. Can you see the line there showing you that you have